today we're going to make a quick jacket potato. And we're going to do it in the microwave with one of these. And if you haven't got one of these, you need to get one. And we picked it up in the pound shop and it's absolutely fabulous. Right, so we've got this. This is about an 8-ounce jacket potato. Some ground black pepper, just a small tin of baked beans. This is extra mature cheddar that we grate up. And then just some ordinary butter. And so what we're going to do is just get set up and then we'll get back to you. Okay? Right, we've opened a tin of beans, we've grated your cheese. Now we've scrubbed this obviously, and what we're going to do is put it on your potato maker like that. This is about 8 ounce, maybe just over, so it'll be about 7 minutes, but we'll tell you the exact time in a bit. We're going to put it in the microwave, and this is a 900 watt microwave, so we're going to put it on for about 7 minutes. Check it now after 7 minutes. There it is on your baker, and we'll just give it a prod, and if the fork goes in all the way and it's not hard in the middle, because the middle bit is worst, you don't need to turn any more in there because they cook all the way through. Now that might just do just a little bit, it might do another half a minute. Okay, so we're going to do that and then we'll get back to it. Done it another 30 seconds, and I think that's going to be about right now. Give it a jab. Yeah, that's good. Now then, bob it on your plate. We've done the beans in a pan because in microwave they seem to go dry, don't they? So we like to do it lightly in the pan. Just cut it into your quarters. Put about a teaspoon of butter in. Get it in the middle, and then we've grated your cheese. So we're just going to cook the cheese slightly, so we're going to put it back in the microwave for just about 40 seconds. So do it like that. How much cheese on as you want? You like a lot, don't you? So yeah, put it back in about 30-40 seconds, just till your cheese is melting, and then your beans will be ready. We'll put it all together. Right. Done that for 40 seconds and the cheese is melted like that, and then we're just going to whack on our beans and our side salad which we've made on here, which is just mixed lettuce, spring onion, cucumber, plum tomatoes. We're going to put some olives on as well, which we've got here. You like olives, don't you?
Yeah, like olives,
yeah, we're going to do that. Yeah. And cut some coleslaw inside. You won't do that, will you?
No,
so you won't do it on yours, no.
Love the olives.
Grate some ginger on.
Yeah,
okay?
do that.
So we'll get back to you in a minute. Okay? We've put it out and we're just going to grate, just with the potato peel, I like to do the ginger, just a couple of slices of ginger on top as well. I'd do coleslaw, but you wouldn't, would you?
No.
And that's pretty much it. And you put any filling in these. I've put cauliflower cheese in from the channel, and chilli and curry and anything, mushroom stroganoff, anything, and they're really good. Okay.